Hi everyone, and welcome back to the GSDSolutions channel. Today, we are going to learn how to share your mailbox in Microsoft Outlook and Gmail so someone on your team can help you manage emails, reply to messages, or stay on top of client communication. Let's start with Microsoft Outlook. If you use Outlook on the web, sharing your mailbox works by giving someone access to one of your folders, like your inbox. First, go to Outlook and sign in with your work account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen, where all your folders are listed. Right-click on the folder you want to share, for example, your inbox, and then select Sharing and Permissions. A window will open where you can type the name or email address of the person you want to share it with. Once you've added them, you will be able to choose what kind of permissions they will have. Maybe you just want them to view your emails, or perhaps you want them to be able to edit and manage them too. After you've selected the right option, just click Share, and you're done. The person you shared it with will now be able to open that folder from their own Outlook. It's a great way to collaborate without sharing your password. And if you ever need someone to access your entire mailbox, not just one folder, that's something your company's Microsoft 365 administrator can help you set up. Now, let's take a look at how to do this in Google. Open Gmail and log in with your work account. In the top right corner, click the little gear icon for settings, and then select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab, and look for the section that says Grant Access to Your Account. Here, you can click on Add Another Account, type in the email of the person you want to share your mailbox with, and then click Next Step and send email to grant access. That person will receive an invitation in their inbox once they accept it. They will be able to open your mailbox directly from their own Gmail account by clicking their profile picture in the top corner. No password sharing required, and that's it. Now you know how to share your mailbox safely and easily in both Microsoft Outlook and Google Workspace. It's the perfect way to work together, stay organized, and keep communication flowing even when you're not online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials from GSDSolutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.